Hello everyone, welcome back to this FastAPI tutorial. Today I'm going to talk how to create Python virtual environment. Let's discuss first why we need such an environment. For example, you are a developer and working on multiple applications locally. Now it can happen that application 1 requires dependency of Postgres and the unicorn to function, while the other applications might need a different version of Python or another type of a server, let's say Gunicon. So each application has a different requirement to function. And while working on multiple applications, it is not that easy to change this every time. So to provide a customized working environment for each application, we create a virtual environment to make our life easy. I'm going to show you how to create, activate, and deactivate this virtual environment. So let's get started with creating new folder here. I'm going to name it as a learn Python. Now open the terminal and cd into this folder. This folder is basically our application code resides. Now to create a virtual environment here, let's type python 3 minus n. We are going to make use of venv package that we have installed along with Python locally and give the name of a virtual environment. We can give any name, for example, my virtual environment and hit enter. This is going to take some time. Once it is done, type ls and enter. You can find here there is a folder created with the same name, my virtual environment. Now to activate this environment, type source, name of your virtual environment, bin, and make a use of a activate script. Once you hit enter, you can observe that my virtual environment is activated. And to verify which dependencies are installed in this environment, one can simply type pip3 list. So it shows currently it has only pip and setup tools dependencies. Later we are also going to install multiple dependencies like FastAPI and other, and then we can also re-verify it. Now to deactivate this environment, just simply type deactivate and it should return back to normal command prompt. So that is it on how to create virtual environment. I'll see you in the next video.